On today's video, we're going to create ourselves a nice little delicious adult beverage, a pineapple margarita. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, we've got it all right here. Let's go ahead and get started on our pineapple margarita right now. Let's get started on our pineapple margarita. Hey, we've got everything we need right here. We got some tequila, just some plain, what do they call it, Blanco tequila. We got some Grand Marnier, pineapple juice, orange juice, a little lime juice. We got our glass rimmed with some kosher salt. You know what? I think we're ready to get started and move a few of these out of the way, just like so. So, what are we going to do? We're going to use about 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1.5 ounces of Grand Marnier, 1.5 ounces or so of orange juice, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we're going to have just a nice squirt of lime juice to go in there. Simple and delicious. Hey, so, okay, here we go. Let's see here. Pop this up. We're going to come in with, like I said, about 1.5 ounces. That might be a strong 1.5 ounces. Might be almost a true mini bottle we used to have years ago. Now we're going to do about the same thing with Grand Marnier, just like so. And voila. Hey, again, simple, easy. No, this really is a fairly quick, simple, and delicious drink. It really is. Something a little different. So again, we'll come in here with about 1.5 ounces, 1.75 ounces. And then we'll come in with pineapple juice, like so, which is going to be about 3 ounces. So we got 2, like so, and then 1, and that's it. Heck yeah, how about that? Oh, it's going to be good. Be real good here in a sec. So, simple, easy. Now I'm going to come in here, grab a little bit of this lime, just like so, and give it a little squeeze. I think that's going to be good enough. I don't think there isn't really a true measure on that one. It just says lime juice. So here we go. Now what are we going to do? We're going to come in, give this a little shake. It's 1, 2, just like that. How about it? Now we're just going to dump this whole thing in here. We don't have to do any kind of straining or anything like that. Check that out. Voila. Man, heck yeah. Oh yeah, we got a little garnish over here of what is that? We got a pineapple wedge. We got ourselves a lime, a cherry. There it is, man. There you go. Abaco Bar and Grill's pineapple margarita. Hey, Abaco Bar and Grill, guess what? You got a signature drink right down there. It's called the Abaco. Take a look at that. Hey, right here. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.